In this video I'm going to show you how to use sensitive content control feature on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first open up Instagram application, then hit at your profile picture and then tap at menu icon. Next, go into settings, select account here, and then here you have to find sensitive content control. This option controls how much sensitive content you see from accounts you don't follow. Sensitive content doesn't go against Instagram community guidelines, but refers to topics some people don't want to see, such as certain violence or drugs. And by switching that options, you can select how much sensitive content you want to see. You can hit at less to might see as less sensitive content as possible, or you can hit, for example, on standard or on more to see more sensitive content. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.